Welcome to Netpresenter's tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to create users and sites. When logged in as an administrator, you will be able to see the settings button in the top right corner. Click it and select users in the left-hand menu. Here, you can see an overview of existing users and are able to edit them. Or you can create a new one by clicking the new user button. You will have to fill in a username, password, and confirm the password once more before this user can be created. The credentials below are optional fields, but are always useful to fill in. If you're using the cloud solution, be sure to edit the time zone to yours, as the server time will most likely not align with yours. This will help with scheduling messages under your name. Then you will need to select the type of user. Will this user be an administrator or publisher? Then select it here. A publisher cannot enter the settings menu, but only change their user info. An editor can do the same thing as a publisher can, except publish the content. Instead, editors will have the option to notify publishers that content is ready to be verified. Below are options that can be turned on or off for specific users. Can this user not change fonts or not change the color theme? Be sure to untick it. Are they not allowed to upload videos or search for videos through YouTube? Be sure to untick it. Lastly, when creating a publisher or editor, when clicking the next button, you will need to subscribe them to sites. A publisher can be the sole person to manage a site, or multiple sites depending on how many sites are subscribed to them. When you click on Sites in the left-hand menu, you will see the overview of currently existing sites. You can click to edit them or click on the New Site button to create a whole new one. The only thing you will need to do in this instance is give it a name. That's it. Save and find your new site in the overview. By default, all settings are optimal, but you can change some specifics on site level. Perhaps this site needs to use a different logo, then you can upload a new one in this location. Maybe a different color theme goes alongside this logo and can be selected right above it. If this site is used within the Netpresenter app, you can change some default settings of new messages that will be published to the app. Message categories can also be turned on here. This will allow you to organize your messages better in the message overview. Underneath, you can set up some more media options on site level. Maybe you don't want to use videos or images on this site, so you can turn it off. Is this site publishing to social media? You can turn on specific prefixes for this site as well. Lastly, you can change the scheduling method to a day-by-day basis or housekeeping method that allows you to schedule in intervals. And that would be it. I hope this tutorial taught you something new about users and sites. If you should still have issues or questions, feel free to contact tech support by sending an email to techsupport@netpresenter.com. We'll be happy to help.